Okay, I just finished up with my Tuesday run. Finished at, let's see here, 5 miles, 45 minutes. And now it's for my least favorite thing in the entire world, my cold plunge here. It is, let's see what temperature it's at. Oh yeah, 58 degrees. Feels like a solid 40 though. Let's turn this off. Okay, I've been trying to do this all day. Ideally, you do it first thing in the morning. It's great for waking up, but it's too cold. So we'll do it now. Day 4 for doing it consistently. So 2 minutes, 3 minutes, give or take. And here we go. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Wow. All right, here we go, 2 minutes. Ooh, it is chilly. All right, fuck it, let's go. Oh. Oh, it's about 57 degrees right now. Oh, yes. Woo. How long have I been? A minute 30? Got about a minute left. Oh yeah, just focus on the breathing. Here we go. About 30 seconds here. Oh man, that's cold. Oh. 10 seconds. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Yeah, ideally you do that first thing in the morning. Wakes you up, get your adrenaline going, keeps you nice and alert, but doing that at 7 a.m. when it's 50 degrees outside is nice and chilly. It's hard to do. But doing it right after you run 5 miles, nice and sweaty, feel good, is significantly easier. So got it done, 4th day in a row. Now you want to do it for about 11 minutes a week, but I find it a lot easier to do it every day. You do it consistently. You stack up your wins instead of taking a guess when you're going to do it and wait until the last second. So try to do it for 2 minutes a day. Right now it's about 57 degrees. Get it down to 55, maybe even low 50s. Some people, they'll do it in the 40s, but that's a little chilly. So right now, 57 degrees, 4th day in a row doing it. Pretty happy with that. Try to do it every single day, but see you tomorrow.